All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're going to pull back the curtain on a tool that so many of us use every single day, but maybe don't fully get, Microsoft 365. So let's just get this out of the way. If you think Microsoft 365 is just a fancy new name for Word and Excel, well, you're kind of missing the entire story. This isn't just about individual apps anymore. It's a complete cloud-based platform that's really designed to change how we work. Okay, so here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll look at why it's more than just apps. Then we'll dive into its command center, check out the power duo of Teams and SharePoint, tour its digital fortress, and finally, see how it all comes together as a unified digital world. All right, first up, let's really get our heads around what the M365 ecosystem is. So, what is it really? Well, stop thinking of it like a toolbox full of apps. It's much, much bigger than that. It's more like the central nervous system for a modern company. It was built from the ground up for a world where your team is literally everywhere, at home, in the office, on their phones, and it connects all of them securely in one spot. Okay, section 2. Let's talk about the command center, because at the absolute heart of all of this is something called the M365 Admin Center. This is basically mission control for the whole organization. You know, this is where an IT admin gets that 30,000-foot view of everything. Instead of having to run around and set up software on every single computer, they can just click a button and assign a license to a new user. If a service like email goes down, this is the first place they check to see what's going on. It's all about managing hundreds, maybe even thousands of people from a single screen. So let's put this into practice, right? Imagine a new person is starting on Monday. From this one screen, an admin creates their account, gives them access to every app they'll need, and sets all their permissions. I mean, before they even open their laptop for the first time, their entire digital life at the company is built and ready to go. That's the power we're talking about here. All right, moving on. Let's see how this foundation, all this admin stuff, actually connects to the tools you and I probably use every single day, Teams and SharePoint. Okay, so first we've got Microsoft Teams. You probably know this one. It's the virtual office, right? The main hub for all your chats, your meetings, your real-time file sharing. It's basically where the work actually happens. But here's a question that, honestly, most people never even think to ask. When you share all those files and documents in a chat, where do they actually go? They don't just live in the chat window. They have to be stored somewhere safe and organized. And that brings us to the answer. SharePoint. This is the secret sauce. While Teams is that busy upfront collaboration space, SharePoint is the super organized, powerful library working silently in the background. Every single file you share in a team, it's actually being stored, secured, and managed by SharePoint. Okay, so with all this data flying around, files, chats, you name it, security is obviously a huge deal. So let's take a look at the digital fortress that protects it all. Now, security M365 basically has two main players. You can think of Microsoft Defender as your gatekeeper. It's standing guard at the perimeter, protecting your organization from all the nasty stuff out there. Spam, malware, phishing attacks. And then you've got Microsoft Purview. Purview is more like your internal auditor. It's making sure all your data inside the company is being managed correctly and follows all the rules and regulations. So what's this number? This is something called the Microsoft Secure Score. And the best way to think about it is like a credit score, but for your organization's security. It's a single number in real time that tells you just how well your defenses are configured. The higher the score, the stronger your fortress is. But what's really cool is that it doesn't just give you a grade and say, good luck. It gives you a concrete, actionable to-do list. It'll say, hey, you should really enable a multi-factor authentication for everyone. Or you need to apply some data loss prevention or DLP policies, which basically stops sensitive info from accidentally leaving the company. And the best part? Every time you check one of these items off the list, your score actually goes up. All right, final section. Let's bring this all home. We've looked at the admin center, the collaboration tools, the security layers, but the real magic, the whole point of this, is how it all connects. Yeah, this quote really nails it. The true value here isn't in Word or Teams or any single app by itself. It's in the integration. It's the fact that your user account, created in the admin center, automatically gives you access to the right Teams channel where the files you share are instantly saved to SharePoint, all while being continuously scanned and protected. It's one seamless flow. And that really leaves us with one big question to chew on. You know, in a world where our work lives are scattered across dozens and dozens of different apps and services, Is a single, unified ecosystem like this one the future of how we all get work done? It's definitely something to think about.